So the Türkiye Scholarship 2025 applications are currently open for application for all international students who are pursuing their bachelor's, master's, PhD, postgraduates, associate program, whichever program you're applying for and you're interested to study in Turkey. I would encourage you to take advantage of this wonderful scholarship opportunity and apply to their programs. This particular scholarship covers a whole lot of perks. I'll be going through this with you step by step to tell you all what it
Hi, my
entails.
name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and
It's
friends.
basically for international students who are pursuing various degrees, bachelor's, master's, postgraduates, and the likes. Going by their website, this is the world's most comprehensive scholarship program. It covers a lot of things for international students. This is the most prestigious university scholarship I've seen so far. So, this is a very comprehensive and unique scholarship program. It considers everything that international students will need. So, this particular scholarship provides university and department placements. It covers the tuition fees. It allows you to learn the language of the country for 1 year. So, if you're interested to learn Turkish language, this particular scholarship is going to cover it for you, and you're going to be provided with accommodation. It will also provide support on your journey to Turkey, as well as at the end of the education period, it will cover a one-off flight ticket. It also allows you to take full advantage of widespread health insurance. So basically, it's going to cover your health insurance. And most importantly, they're going to be paying you a monthly stipend. So this is depending on the level of the degree you're applying for. So you're going to be receiving 4,500 Turkish lira if you're applying for an associate program or a bachelor's degree program. You'll be receiving 6,500 Turkish lira if you're applying for a master's degree program, and then 9,000 Turkish lira at a PhD level per month. So you can scroll down this page to read as much information as possible, but I'm giving you the most important information that you need to know regarding this particular scholarship. And so the most important things you need to note in order to submit this application successfully is basically in 5 steps. So this means that you need to create an account with your personal details, upload all the required documents, and the third is to select your university and the program preferences. You need to submit an original letter of intent, and the fifth step is to review your application and then you submit it. And when you scroll down the page, these are the required documents that you need to successfully submit this application. So first of all, you need a valid identity document, your ID card or passport, a photograph which is taken within the last 1 year, your national exam results if available, diploma or temporary graduate certificate. You will need your transcripts, international exams results, for example, GMAT, GRE, SAT, and this is when it's required by your chosen university. So this means that some university might not require you to provide GMAT or GRE. You would also need TOEFL if required as well by your university, and you will then need a proposal for research topic, but this is only for PhD applicants. So this is the website for submitting your application for scholarship. So basically, this application, first of all, it's free of charge. You do not need to pay anything. It's a free application, a free portal. So please take advantage of this. You need to register before initiating an application. Signing up is free of charge and will take you approximately 2 minutes to sign up. I encourage you to provide as accurate as possible all the information required on the application portal. And this application process is going to take you approximately 30 to 1 hour to submit everything. For more information, you can click on the scholarship search page to find more scholarships that suits you. So the application date for this particular scholarship is started since the 10th of January 2025, and it will be ending on the 20th of February 2025. So please hurry whilst the application lasts. And to start up your application, you just simply click on register. And once you click on that, it loads you to this page. So basically, here you're going to fill in every details required by this particular application. I've made a comprehensive video where I went step by step to submit this application. I'm going to be putting the link up here in case you need to see the step by step of submitting this application. And this is their contact details in case you have more queries and inquiries. You can simply write to this email address and they would get back to you. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.